Welcome to a new video. Today I show my first shrinkearn withdraw earning. Let's get started. I withdraw my first shrinkearn earning of $5.213875, which means you can earn it too. Just sign up today and start making money from now on. Now I will show you how to make an account in shrinkearn where you can get maximum $20 CPM, which means you can earn up to $20 on just 1K views. Amazing, isn't it? Let me first define what is shrinkearn. Shrinkearn is a free tool where advertiser can create banner and interstitial advertising campaign and publishers can earn money to shorten their links and share it on social platforms. When people clicks on your links, you will get certain amount according to traffic you get from worldwide. These are the publisher rates as I showing in the video. You can check them all by yourself. I will provide publisher rates link in the description. Now it's time to show how you sign up. Just make sure you fill this form and remember your sign up details in order to log in later. When you logged in, then you need to put your payment details first from here. These 4 withdrawal methods are available. You can choose one of them as every method have their own minimum withdrawal options. After all these things cleared out, then you need to work on shorten the links, which will be like this. What you need to do here is what I did. Just make your Blogger account and make interesting topics and put links there with the shape of pictures just like I did. Amazing trick, isn't it? Put your link in it and post it and share it on FB, Twitter, Google+, YouTube, WhatsApp and more social platforms where you can. But you need to make interesting topics in order to get clicks. You interesting topic you choose, the more chances you get to earn. This is where you can manage your raw links. This is how you earn money through shrinkearn, so why not join today? That's it from this video. Hit subscribe and bell icon to get our latest video notifications. Smile.